The manufacturing landscape is witnessing a significant shift toward advanced computing solutions. Key technological developments shaping the future include edge computing, enabling faster data processing and reduced bandwidth costs. Private 5G networks enhancing IoT security and connectivity. Cloud-based manufacturing improving scalability and resource optimization. Digital twin integration, facilitating real-time simulation and optimization. These technologies have helped manufacturing plants reduce warranty incidents by 50%, while decreasing manufacturing costs by more than 10%. Sustainability integration. Environmental consciousness has become a crucial driver of manufacturing innovation. Companies are increasingly adopting Industry 4.0 technologies to achieve sustainability goals, with manufacturers reporting significant improvements in resource utilization and waste reduction. The integration of smart technologies has enabled real-time energy consumption monitoring, automated waste reduction systems, and optimized resource allocation. Enhanced environmental compliance tracking is another significant benefit. Studies indicate that manufacturers implementing these solutions have achieved substantial reductions in greenhouse gas emissions while maintaining high productivity levels. Scalability considerations are crucial when it comes to smart manufacturing initiatives. Scaling these initiatives requires careful planning and a robust infrastructure. Research shows that only 14% of organizations consider their smart factory deployment successful, highlighting the challenges in scaling these technologies. Key factors for successful scaling include data standardization is essential. Implementing common data standards across facilities has proven crucial for successful scaling. Organizations that standardize their data processes report improved transparency and security throughout their facilities. Infrastructure development. Successful scaling requires robust digital infrastructure. Companies are investing in integration software to connect shop floor machines with cloud systems, enabling seamless data flow between production planning and execution. Skills enhancement manufacturers are focusing on retraining workers to operate new technologies and hiring specialists in robotics and digital twin engineering. This investment in human capital has shown to be crucial for successful scaling of smart factory initiatives. Security implementation. As manufacturing becomes more connected, cybersecurity has become paramount. Companies are implementing private LTE and 5G networks, with cloud providers ensuring multiple layers of security protection. The implementation of these scalability measures has enabled manufacturing facilities to reduce lead times, increase flexibility, and improve overall operational efficiency. Companies that successfully scaled their operations reported warranty incident reductions of 50% and manufacturing cost reductions exceeding 10%. Industry 4.0 marks a defining moment in manufacturing history, where smart technologies meet traditional production methods to create highly efficient, data-driven systems. The integration of IoT sensors and AI has delivered measurable improvements across manufacturing operations, with quality control scores reaching 93.1 points and maintenance downtime reduced to just 52 minutes per cycle. Manufacturing facilities embracing these changes have witnessed significant benefits. Production efficiency increases of up to 30%. Defect detection rates improved by 60%. Maintenance costs reduced by 25%. and supply chain reject rates decreased from 30% to under 2%. The successful implementation of Industry 4.0 technologies depends on three critical factors: robust IoT infrastructure, advanced AI solutions, and effective human-machine collaboration. Manufacturing organizations that focus on these elements while investing in workforce development and scalable infrastructure position themselves for long-term success. Smart manufacturing continues to evolve, driven by emerging technologies like edge computing, private 5G networks, and digital twins. These advancements, combined with growing emphasis on sustainability and scalability, shape the future of manufacturing operations. Companies that adapt to these changes while maintaining focus on data standardization, security, and skills development will lead the next phase of industrial innovation.